Hello, my dear students. I'm Dr. Vaishali Bharambe. I've been teaching anatomy for more than 25 years and I love it. Come, let's understand this a little better. So, here is your retina, which is receiving some visual stimulus. It comes and stimulates, it comes and reaches that information to that side pretectal nucleus, which in turn stimulates the same side Edinger-Westphal nucleus, but also stimulates the opposite side Edinger-Westphal nucleus. So note, even if you see from one eye, your both side Edinger-Westphal nuclei are stimulated through the pretectal nucleus of that side. How does it matter? Come. Suppose your one eye is closed, okay? And somebody throws a light in the other eye. So the light is picked up by retina, carried backwards till here. It's going to the visual cortex, but when it reaches midbrain, it gives a branch that informs the pretectal nucleus that light has been put in the eye. Okay, what does pretectal nucleus do? It informs same side Edinger-Westphal as well as opposite side Edinger-Westphal light. Light is there, okay, in this eye. What does this Edinger-Westphal do? It gives rise to preganglionic parasympathetic fibers that travel to the ciliary ganglion. Postganglionic parasympathetic fibers travel to ciliaris muscle and sphincter pupillae, and the pupil of that side constricts. This is called direct light reflex. Right? So you put light, the pupil constricted, fine. But because the other side Edinger-Westphal was stimulated, it also stimulated the other side ciliary ganglion, other side ciliaris muscles to contract, pupillary muscles to contract, and the other side pupils also constrict. This is called consensual light reflex. So, when you put light in one eye, the other eye is closed, but it will still show pupillary constriction. Both eyes pupils will constrict, not only same side. Why? Because pretectal nucleus is wise enough to stimulate both sides Edinger-Westphal nucleus. So this is direct light reflex and consensual light reflex. So if you're liking my lectures, do like and subscribe to my channel.